Netrupudi. Let us journey through various mātanga which have formed the unique, proud, and beautiful country we live in today, the Kingdom of Tonga. The royal family have helped shape our culture, traditions, and identity as Tongans. Their burial places are sacred, and the grandest langi of all, the Baipaia Te Rea, is located in the ancient capital of Moa. However, following the death of King George Tupou I, Malaikula in the center of Nuku'alofa became the royal burial ground for the Tupou dynasty. Despite the royals being powerful and dignified, they were also very talented. One particular gifted royal composer and lyricist was Queen Salote Tupou III. Change came about as foreigners began to explore Tonga. Captain James Cook and his men voyaged to Tangata Ewa in the village of Rufuka Hapai, where he first met Chief Finau Unkalawa, who provided a warm welcoming for them. Cook named Tonga the Friendly Islands, a name that we are renowned for worldwide. The James Cook naming place here in Aotearoa commemorates his arrival and interactions there. Ancient monuments have become attractions for tourists today, including the Hufanga'alupe Natural Land Bridge, the Ha'amonga Maui, and the Hina Cave. The legends behind these landmarks are also very interesting. For example, the Ha'amonga is thought to have been erected by a king to represent his sons, with it symbolizing the bonds of brotherhood and a reminder to them to stay united after his death. The Hina Cave, on the other hand, talks of a love story about a beautiful Tongan maiden, Hina, and her beloved Similau. King Tauwhahau was then baptized by Wesleyan missionaries and was then declared King George Tupou I of Tonga. The king's example allowed Christianity We have so much to offer the world, and we all have a duty to become advocates for Tonga and strengthen tourism opportunities. Tonga and tourism are an exciting combination, so always be ready for something a little different. Cherish this priceless gift, as we are presently witnessing now the warmth and free spirit of the locals. The coronation is now part of our history. Long live King George VI and Queen Manasipawu.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, Miss Unuaka Tonga Royal Institute, Jessie Malapong.